Hi. Hi, Blossom.
Hi.
Hi, Tina.
Hi.
How are you guys?
Good.
How's your day going on?
All good.
All good. You're always smiling. I like your
Thank you so
smile.
much.
And today you're wearing a really nice lipstick.
Thank you so much.
So let me just have a look around and see and show everybody कि कितना सुंदर clinic design किया है. Yeah? Okay. So let me just show you कितना ही how beautiful it is designed. And if you see the it's a self-explanatory. बहुत सारी सर ने चीज़ें लगाई हुई हैं सर के expertise के बारे में. It's a basal liposuction. And you see here is a ear reconstruction. So you see how well designed and so vibrant. Okay, all right. Let me just show you more about it. Hi Nausheen, how are you?
Fine.
What is about your personality? Always charming and keep like that, okay? Yeah. So let's go ahead. Hi, how are you?
I'm very good.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So tell me, how's your day going on?
Great as always.
Always
Every day.
super. All the very best. All the very best to you. Alright, you see that it is how well designed the rooms are there, and let's go ahead. तो अभी हैं हम OPD 2 के बाहर. यहाँ पे बैठते हैं डॉक्टर मीनन. तो चलिए उनसे मिलते हैं और थोड़ी गपशप करते हैं.
Yes, come in.
May I come in, ma'am?
Hi.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good.
Same here. Same here.
Such a pleasant surprise.
Yes, my.
How is your documentary going on?
इट इज़ सुपर मैम. और जो आपने मुझे पॉइंट्स बताए सर के बारे में बहुत ही मज़ा आया है और बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है. इनफैक्ट हमारी डॉक्यूमेंट्री बहुत ही अच्छी जा रही है.
That's right.
सो सर है क्या?
Sir है, but sir as usual busy है operation theatre में.
ओके.
But you can sit in sir's.
I can? Yes. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah.
Let's go inside. जब सर नहीं है, let's go and search about sir's cabin. और प्लीज़ आइए. Let me just go through. आप देख सकते हैं गणपति कितने क्यूट हैं. एंड आई थिंक सर इज़ अ फर्म बिलीवर ऑफ गणपति. आप देख सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स गो डाउन. आई सी लॉट ऑफ बुक्स है. आप देख सकते हैं. तो जीनियस बॉस ऐसे नहीं बनते हैं. बहुत मेहनत और बहुत डेडिकेशन लगती है. एंड सी लुक एट द बुक्स. ओके, चलिए लेट्स गो हेड एंड लेट मी जस्ट गो लुक एट द ट्रॉफीज एंड अचीवमेंट दैट सर हैव डन. I mean, this is amazing, amazing, and lot of certificates are there. Okay, I see something very interesting there. Okay, this is nice sketch, sir. I like it. Okay, let me just try how you stand. Okay, sir, nice achievement. By the way, I look at you. Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I was just looking at you.
What is happening here?
Nothing. I'm just looking at you cleaning, and it looks so amazing,
It's okay,
sir.
no problem.
So please have a seat, sir.
Why don't you
It's your
sit?
only-
I will.
Yeah.
Please,
Thank you.
have a seat.
Mumbai, beautiful city of dreams. यहाँ हर कोई सुंदर दिखना चाहता है, बनना चाहता है और रहना चाहता है. मैं रोजपुरी एज ए ब्यूटी एक्सपर्ट एंड स्किन एक्सपर्ट इसी सुंदरता की चाह की खोज में एक शख्स से मिली, जो है डॉक्टर पराग तेलान. वेलकम टू द शो, जिसका नाम है कॉस्मेटिक टेल्स विद मी रोजपुरी एंड डॉक्टर पराग तेलान.
I had gone to attend a conference in Hyderabad and they had a caricature artist there.
Okay.
So उन्होंने within 5 minutes he made this sketch.
Sketch, it's
So
really
then I
nice.
got it framed and I kept
It's
it.
really nice, sir. Sir, ये तो sketch की बात रही. If you have to describe yourself in 3 words, what would that be, sir?
3 D's have played a very important role in my life, which is
Okay.
dedication, determination and devotion.
Absolutely, sir. I can see that also through your journey. So, sir, dedication तो मुझे नज़र आ रही है. I see lot of books are there. तो sir, अगर जब आप as a student और सब लोगों को पढ़ना ही पसंद होता है, but I'm sure that जो आपकी study है, जहाँ तक आप पहुँचे हैं वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा dedication की ज़रूरत होती है. Study बहुत करनी होती है. तो मुझे सुनने में आया कि आपको दिन में सिर्फ 2 घंटे मिलते थे सोने को.
हाँ, रेसिडेंसी जो होती है जिसमें हम लोग बेसिक प्लास्टिक सर्जरी की ट्रेनिंग करते हैं, दैट इज़ टफ. आई मीन आपको 2 घंटे 3 घंटे भी सोने को मिल गए मुश्किल से, तो दैट इज़ अ बून. उतने भी कभी कभी मिलते नहीं हैं. So basically you become used to that way of life. आपको आदत हो जाती है and ultimate target is to become a plastic surgeon. तो आपको उसकी आदत हो जाती है. Plus ये plastic surgery is a super specialization. So number of seats is very limited. Like I was the only plastic surgery trainee in my first year, second year. So I used to be उसको on call होना बोलते हैं, that I am the first person to be contacted for any plastic surgery emergency. So I used to be on call almost every day.
Okay.
So it was tough to begin with, but as a period of time goes by, then you slowly become accustomed to working
To the system,
yeah,
or
for
some
18 hours, 20 hours a day. You don't feel so much of stress or
stress.
tiredness.
But sir, I'm sure there's a lot of stress. I can imagine that also. But वो stress को दूर करने के लिए आप करते थे क्या? Movies के लिए जाते थे, dinners, dates, और what was वो personal life कैसे होती
या
है?
मूवीज के लिए तो जाते थे, बट मूवीज का भी ऐसा रहता था, यू आर नॉट श्योर कि आपको पूरी मूवी देखने को मिलेगी कि नहीं.
मिलेगी.
सो ठीक है, हम लोग जाते तो थे, बट कॉल आया तो निकलना पड़ता था.
निकलना पड़ता था. As you said that small things don't matter, sir. So तो मुझे ये जानना है कि आपको ये क्लिनिक ओपन करने का क्या मोटिव था और what was the vision?
The vision behind opening this clinic was one that because we have the entire floor, there is complete privacy. So somebody wanting to do any kind of cosmetic surgery can discreetly come, get the procedure done and go home. Plus we have ample space here. So as I said, we have been able to keep like lot of open spaces in the clinic. So you don't get that cluttered kind of atmosphere, and you feel relaxed when you come here.
So sir, this is your vision about designer bodies. If I want to ask that, what is your vision for future or for India? What do you think then?
A lot of people from USA, from Europe, उनके खुद के देशों में ये सर्जरीज इतनी एक्सपेंसिव है, and they have such big waiting lists that why don't we allow them to come to India?
India.
We have doctors who have adequate training in all these surgeries, and plus it's 1/3 of the cost.
तो सर जैसे कि there's a different anatomy physiology of men and women. तो women are born with the breast, but मैंने सुना है कि men they have also a problem of breast. What is that?
That is called as gynecomastia.
Okay.
So sometimes what happens is during puberty, under the influence of the hormone testosterone, the male chest increases in size.
Okay.
Now this is a combination of fat and gland. So दोनों चीजें बढ़ने से the male breast looks bigger in size. So these are young boys in between their 20s and 25s, and वो age ऐसा होता है that they become very conscious about this. So gym जाना, swimming को जाना, they try to avoid any activity which requires them to be without their clothes.
Okay.
So now there is a very simple solution to get rid of this problem of gynecomastia. We do a procedure called as Vaser liposelection, which is again like a stitchless method of removing this fat and gland. You have only like a 2 mm puncture which is made, and the entire fat and gland can be removed. Chalo, so I will show you the rest of our clinic. This room we already seen.
Yes, sir.
So let's see the rest of
Yes,
the room.
let's
Come.
go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go.